Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Fire TV how to pair remote. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pair a remote with the Amazon Fire TV, the first method is standard pairing. To do it, simply turn on your Fire TV, and then once you turn on, give me batteries in the remote, then press and hold the home button for 10 seconds and wait for the message that says remote connected. And once you see that message, the remote should work immediately. Next method is pairing from the Fire TV settings. All you gotta do is from the Fire TV home screen, tap on or select settings icon on the top right corner of the screen, then select controller and Bluetooth devices. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select add new remote or add Bluetooth devices, and on the remote simply hold home button for 10 seconds and Fire TV will detect and pair the remote. If you don't have a working remote, you can use your phone as a temporary remote as well. By installing the Amazon Fire TV app, simply connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi as Fire TV, then open up the app, select to Fire TV and use the app to pair the physical remote as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.